Serve is good. Dolatre set the ball. On Paris. Dolatre. Kaupe combination and steal by Kalumag. Steal by Titiberto. It's a chance ball. Paris and Kaupe combination. The jump serve. Steal by Titiberto. Kalumag set the ball. Santa Rain. Kalumag once again to number 2, deny. Kalumag grab ball. And still by the libero. Dolatre on quick. And still by the libero. Kalumag Santa Rain. Oh no! It's a miss. His man is on the serve. Quick! It's Dolatre. Belmonte attack. But that is a 3-point game. It's Kaupe on the serve, Madeja! He got inside. 13. It's Kalumag once again. The libero for the steal. Here comes Rapino! Down the line! Sino ba jowa ko? The home court advantage. May barangay sa nakot. Rapino! It's Belmonte. Services the libero for the steal. Kalumag Madeja. And still. Another checked ball. Quick. And still. Enorme on the serve. Serve is good. Still by the libero. Postigo deny! Deny by Ohio. Guys, San Antonio. It's Saturday. And still by Kaupe. Dolatre. Belmonte. Still a match point. Rapid Bayan. Belmonte still by the libero. On the jump service good, stayed by the libero. Kalumag now. El Paso 0-2. And stayed by another stayed. Ohashi! It's Kaupe. Saturday. Stayed. Postigo! It's Enorme on the service lane, on the jump service good. Belmonte, Dolatre, Paris! It's a quick by Belmonte on the jump serve is good. Carry for the steal. Here comes Madeja deny and still Kalumag. Madeja! Again, Dolatre once again, service lane. Service is good. Still by Madeja. Kalumag to Saturday grab ball. And still by Kaupe. Kaupe now. And still by Dry. Kalumag. Saturday deny. Dolatre on the serve. Still. Quick. By Enorme.
Napakipot si Postigo doon.
22-19 Bayan, kapit na.
Damon! Kami, hulog na sa akin si Ryan. Tulog na po sa akin katutulak ko. Wala po po siya.
And then, jump service good.
Ada!
Okay, orders in the line. Players, line. Orders, linya muna. And I congratulate SMD for the win of this game.